A handy guide to show of hands. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase that pops up in meetings, classrooms, and group discussions, show of hands. Stick around to uncover what it means and how you can use it effectively. Show of hands is a phrase that requests participants in a group to raise their hand to express their vote or opinion on a matter. It's a quick, visual way to gauge the number of people in favor of or against a particular issue or idea. The concept of raising hands to vote has been around for centuries, dating back to the Greek ecclesia. This method was used as a democratic way to see where the majority opinion lay on various issues. When you're leading a group, you can say, "Let's have a show of hands. Who agrees with this proposal?" If you're participating, you might hear, "All in favor, please raise your hand for a show of hands." A show of hands is typically used in informal settings where a quick and non-binding gauge of opinion is needed. It's less formal than a ballot and is not used for official votes. This method is transparent, immediate, and inclusive, allowing everyone present to see the outcome. It's especially useful for visual learners who benefit from seeing the physical representation of opinion. Thank you for watching. Show of hands is a handy tool in your English language toolkit, perfect for interactive and democratic decision-making. I hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using it. See you in the next video.